Good morning, distance learners. We are back for day 9, and we are at the end of week 2 now, which is super exciting. So hopefully at this point we'll only have one more week of this, and then we can all see each other again. Today we're going to go back and talk about ratios and rates, and again, keeping up with our open response questions to keep us writing and thinking about those types of questions. All right, so let's get started. So we have a scenario here. A dairy truck farmer uses 2 different trucks to deliver milk. One is diesel and one is regular gasoline. And we have a table here that shows the amount of gallons of fuel that each uses. So truck A uses, for 1 gallon, it goes 8 miles on truck A and 12 miles on truck B. So let's look at part A. Based on the table, what is the total number of miles truck A can travel using 4 gallons of gasoline? So we're only looking at the truck A column right here. And as we can see, it goes 1 for 8 miles, and then at each mile, it goes up 8 more. So really, we are multiplying the number of gallons by 8. So for 4 gallons, 4 times 8 would be 32 miles. So truck A can travel 32 miles on 4 gallons. This is because you multiply the number of gallons by 8 to get the miles. 4 gallons times 8 equals 32 gallons. So that would be for part A. All right, let's take a look at part B. Based on the same table, what is the total number of gallons the diesel truck can use to travel 132 miles? So, if we see here, to go from the gallons to truck B, it's times 12. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 12 is 24. Or what we can also say is we can work backwards and divide by 12. So, to get from the miles to the fuel, the gallons, you would divide by 12. So you multiply by 12 to go from the gallons to the miles, and then to work backwards, you would divide. So 132 divided by 12 would be 11. So the diesel truck will use 11 gallons of fuel to go 132 miles. This is because each gallon gives 12 miles. Since 12 times 11 is 132, it is 11 miles. So again, that's how we would answer that question. Counting by 12s, you have to count by 12s 11 times, or again, we're working backwards and just dividing our total by 12 to get back to the gallons. All right, last part. Gasoline costs $4 per gallon and diesel costs $5 per gallon. Which truck will have a lower fuel cost for a 24-mile trip? So right here, so we're looking at the 24-mile trips. Truck A, to go 24 miles, we need 3 gallons. And gasoline, it says, costs $4 per gallon. So that trip would cost $12. Truck B goes uses 2 gallons to go 24 miles. 2 gallons times, and then it's diesel, so times $5 per gallon, would give us $10. So the truck with the lower cost fuel cost for 24 miles is truck B. And then we would say this is because truck A needs 3 gallons times, $4 equals $12. Truck B needs 2 gallons times $5 equals $10. Therefore, truck B would have the lower cost. All right, so that is going to do it for that. You guys are going to head to the link it now and try out those problems, and then I will see you all on Zoom at 12:30. Even if you don't have questions, stop by and say hi so I can see your faces and we can just even catch up on life. All right, bye guys.